Google AdSense is the most popular way to make money online. But getting approved is not easy, and sometimes accounts get banned after a lot of hard work. That can be really frustrating. So today, I'll show you a different option. It's called Monetag Smart Link. You don't need approval, there are no strict content rules, and it's very easy to use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and start earning. Monetag is an ad network, but it's not connected to Google. It has its own system, its own ads, and its own rules. And the good thing is, the rules are much easier compared to AdSense. Today, we are focusing on something called Smart Link. Here's how it works in simple words. Monetag gives you one special link. When someone clicks that link, Monetag automatically shows the best ad for that person. It depends on their device, location, and browser. You don't need to choose anything. The system does everything for you, and you get paid when people visit through your link. The best part? You don't even need a website. You can share this link on a blog, Telegram channel, or even behind a download or click here button. If people click, you earn. Go to monetag.com and create a free account. Just use your email and password. No approval, no waiting. After login, go to the monetization section and click on Smart Link. Then click Generate Link. Monetag will create your personal link. Copy it and save it. This is your main earning link. Next, go to payment settings and add how you want to get paid. You can use PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, or even crypto like USDT. The minimum payout is only $5, so you can get paid without waiting too long. Now the most important part, getting clicks. First method, create something free like a PDF, guide, or tool list. Then use your smart link as the download button. When people click, you earn before they get the file. Let me show you how you can do this. Come over to ChatGPT and create your PDF. You can create PDF for weight loss, viral reels, or an online like PDF. So just type there in ChatGPT, write a PDF for me related to weight loss or something like that. Now it will give you the full guide and the plan. Now go to your Google Doc and paste that information for that. And also, if you want to make it a bit professional, you can give it their cover as well. Now, I use this prompt to get a book cover for this PDF. And here I type the name and introductions and like this. So if you want, you can keep it like this here in text, or it's better to go with the picture because picture will get the highest CTR for you. Now, how you can do this? Just copy the plan here like this. Okay, we'll do this for day 4 to day 5 and come over to your chat GPT, create an image and paste it here and say that give me an image for this text. Okay, and now ChatGPT will process and give you a text, give you an image like this, what you can use in your PDF. Okay, so we just remove this one and paste our image for day 4 to day 5 plan. Now, this way we create all the image for each plan. And the important part here, at the bottom, you will say something like this, download the full version and add here your Monetag Smart Link. So what will happen when people click on this? They will go to your Monetag Smart Link. Now you can download this document into a PDF and then you can upload it in your Google Drive and get your public share link. Then use that link to share in
Facebook groups, website, comment as guest post. You can create a new page. Okay, you can create a new page for Facebook related to your PDF, and then do the marketing like this. So whenever someone download and go for your PDF, you will get the leads.
Second method, if you have a Telegram channel, don't share direct links. Put your smart link first. Every click from your audience can earn you money. Third method, use a URL shortener. Put your smart link inside it. Then share it on forums, Facebook groups, or Reddit where you are helping people. Fourth method, use your social media bio link. Add a simple page that sends visitors through your smart link before they go to your main content. Let's talk about earnings. And I want to be upfront with you here. CPM rates on Monetag are not fixed. They change based on your traffic quality, your niche, the ad format, and most importantly, which country your visitors are coming from. Here's the honest truth. Advertisers pay more for audiences that actually buy things. So countries where people spend more money online, like the USA, UK, Germany, Canada, and Australia, will always pay higher CPM rates. That's just how ad networks work, and Monetag is no different. Based on publisher data and mixed ad format performance in 2026, here's a rough idea of what you can expect. For Tier 1 countries like the USA and UK, CPM can range anywhere from $5 to $12 per thousand visits. Germany and Canada fall in a similar range around $4 to $9. Australia sits between $3, $50, and $7. Now, for Tier 2 regions, places like Brazil and parts of the Middle East, you're looking at somewhere between 50 cents and $2. And for Tier 3 countries like India, the Philippines, Nigeria, and Bangladesh, CPM is lower, usually between 25 cents and 150. One thing worth mentioning, Monetag's own optimization algorithm takes a few days to analyze your traffic before it starts assigning the most profitable ads. So if your CPM looks low in the first day or two, don't panic. Give it at least 3 to 5 days before you judge the numbers. Also, some publishers on high converting traffic have reported CPMs between $8 and $12 for specific geos. So, the ceiling is there if your traffic quality is strong. The bottom line is this: if your audience is mostly from low paying regions, you'll need higher traffic volume to see meaningful earnings. But if you're getting even a small portion of Tier 1 traffic, your RPM will surprise you. That's it. Now you know how to use Monetag Smart Link. One link, no approval, no strict rules, and low payout limit. If you want me to compare more ad networks like this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.